is Akriti. We've all been told that face serums are an important step in our skincare routine. Well, when was the last time that you got a skin serum that you really liked? I recently bought a Wow Skin Science Vitamin C Serum and it really made a difference to my skin. Let me show you how. Take a drop of the moisturizer and dot it all over your face. Now, use your palms to work the product in using light circular motions and being very gentle. You don't want to rub it in too much, or else your acne concerns can aggravate. Once your skin soaks it well, give it some time to fully absorb well to avoid any transfer of product. Enriched with vitamin C, witch hazel and hyaluronic acid, this serum is great for depigmentation, anti-aging and promotes bright and nourished skin.